The Amaran ACE 25C is one of my favourite pieces of filmmaking gear from the past year. It has some amazing features and I really do think it's a light that needs to be in every single creator's kit, especially because of the price. The Amaran ACE 25C has a maximum output of 32 watts, which is extremely bright for a light this small. It's very similar to my Aperture MC actually because it shares some familiar features, but this light only outputs at 5 watts. The ACE is quite a lot bigger, but it is still small enough to fit into any camera bag and maybe even your pocket, so there's no reason not to bring this light along with you because these types of lights can come in so handy. I love to use these types of lights to aid any practical lights in the frame. Take my lamp behind me for example, I could hide this light behind it because it is so small, and then I could light the surrounding area to actually make it look like the lamp is causing the light. This light is great for this scenario because it is bi-colour. This means that the light can match to the same colour temperature of the lamp because it goes from 2300 Kelvin all the way up to 10,000, so you can match pretty much any light in any room no matter how warm or cool the lights are. Not only is this light bi-colour though, but it's also full RGB, which is amazing if you do want to get really creative, and especially for music videos or if you want to light the backgrounds of your videos. This light also has some really cool mounting options. You can actually magnetize it using the back of the light, and it also comes with this quick lock mount. This is similar to the DJI quick lock mount that you see on the action cameras, and you literally mount it using the cold shoe on like a camera rig, and then you literally just drop this light onto it and it magnetizes straight away and locks in. This feature is great for mounting a light on a gimbal. I also used the Aperture MC for the dance floor at a recent wedding, and that absolutely saved me because it lit the dance floor so nicely, and that was just 5 watts. So imagine what the Amaran ACE could do with its 32 watt power. It'll probably be even too bright for the dance floor, but it just shows that this light is perfect for scenarios like that. The build quality and user experience is also just amazing. It feels really premium in the hand and it's just really easy to use. You have the on-off switch on the right here, and it's also a select button to navigate the menus. And to navigate the menus further, you also have this wheel. Changing the mode, brightness, saturation, Kelvin, and all the effects are super easy using this wheel. And it's really great to see the menus because it's got a really nice full color LED screen on the back. The battery life is also pretty good depending on how bright you actually have this light. Amaran state that this light has a runtime of up to 4 hours and 40 minutes in silent mode, and then also 70 minutes in standard mode. However though, it doesn't actually say how bright the light needs to be for these run times. My guess that it'll be something like 30 minutes when you're at max power, which isn't amazing, but you can actually plug this directly into the wall for unlimited power or plug it into a V-mount battery if it's on a camera rig. Amaran also say it only takes 40 minutes to get from 0% all the way up to 90%, which is pretty quick in my opinion. Now then, let's get to the reason why I think this light should be in every single creator's kit, and that's because of the price. This light costs only £104, and for all the features you get, and especially with that 32 watt power, I think it's an absolute no-brainer because this is such good value. You never know how many times a light like this can come handy on set, and for £100 you could really pick up a few of these. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you do plan on picking one of these up, and if you do, I have my affiliate link in the description below if you would like to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and if you did like this video, you'll probably be interested in this tiny 60 watt RGB light, and if you are, make sure you go watch that video next.